Here's how to promote Clickbank products the best way possible so that you can start making $100 to $200 commissions every single day. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Abdel from the Entrepreneur Wealth channel, where I post content about affiliate marketing, but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to subscribe because I post every single day. So in today's video, let's talk about how to promote Clickbank products. If you're watching this video right now, chances are you already know what Clickbank is. Just in case you don't, Clickbank is this affiliate network website where you can find a bunch of different products from different niches that you can promote. It's very popular among affiliate marketers. I won't be covering the topic of picking a highly converting affiliate product off of Clickbank. I'm guessing a lot of you who's watching this video maybe already know how to do so. If you don't, comment below this video and I will make sure to make a video about this in the future. But right now in this video, I won't be covering the topic of picking on how to pick really highly converting products. What I'm going to talk about in this video is obviously, as the title say, how to promote Clickbank products. Basically, we are going to talk about traffic, how to get traffic to promote Clickbank products so that you can start making affiliate sales as soon as possible. Guys, before I go any further, do not skip this video. Watch until the end because later in this video, I'm gonna show you actual examples of how people are generating free traffic for their Clickbank affiliate offers. I'm going to show exactly what they are doing, so you don't want to miss that, so keep watching. So when it comes to generating traffic for your affiliate offer, there's really two kinds of traffic out there. You've got paid traffic and free traffic. Now, both have their advantages and their disadvantages. Paid traffic obviously can be very fast. You can generate a ton of it overnight. But the problem with paid traffic is that it can be very expensive, especially at first, because you need to spend some money in order to find the right ad image, the right ad title, headline, description. You need to test different creatives. So there's a little bit of money to spend at first until you find the right ad that will give you a good ROI or return on your investment, right? When it comes to paid traffic, you can go on YouTube, there's Facebook, there's Pinterest paid ads, there's Instagram paid ads. So all those social media websites out there offer paid advertising. But as I've said, paid advertising can be a bit expensive. So it's very important that you take this into consideration if you choose to go with the paid route. On the other hand, free traffic is exactly the opposite. Okay, it's free, so you don't have to pay for anything. However, it can take time to build up free traffic. Okay, you're not going to generate a ton of traffic overnight unless you can have maybe one or two of your posts or content to go viral. It's for most people out there, it's going to take a little bit of time to generate a ton of traffic for their offer. That is the big disadvantage with free traffic. However, there are ways to speed up the process, which I'm going to talk into more detail in a few minutes. But it's very important that you understand the real difference between those two. So the best strategy for generating a ton of free traffic as quickly as possible, even though we said that generating free traffic quickly can be very hard most of the time. How can we speed it up? Well, here's what you need to understand, and here's what I've learned over the years trying to generate free traffic for my various online businesses. When it comes to free traffic, the more content you post, the more exposure you get. And the more exposure you get, the more clicks or views you get. And the more clicks you get, the more sales you get, right? So the goal here with free traffic is that you need to generate as much as possible every single day. You need to be very consistent and you need to generate as much content as you can. Because if you generate a ton of content, you will increase the amount of exposures that you will get. Also, by generating a ton of content every day, you increase the chances of one or two of your content to go viral. So for example, let's say you decide to post content on Instagram or Pinterest or TikTok. You want to be able to post maybe 5 or 6 pieces of content every single day. Because if you can do that, then in 1 month, you'll have 150 pieces of content posted online. And if let's say 5 or 10 of those go viral, you can generate a ton of traffic in less than a month. So this is really how you go about generating a ton of traffic as quickly as possible with free traffic, even though we know that free traffic can take time to build. Okay, you want to post as many contents as you can every single day, and you want to be very consistent doing so, because the more content you post, the more exposure you get. The more exposure you get, the more clicks you get, and the more clicks you get, the more sales you get. So it might seem very simple when I say it like that, but it really comes down to how committed and dedicated you are to the whole process. Okay, so you want to pick a platform, whether you decide to build free traffic on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, Pinterest or Facebook. You want to pick a platform where it's going to be easy for you to create 4, 5 or 6 pieces of content every single day. So it's very important that you understand this simple concept about free traffic before deciding which platform you want to use to generate free traffic for your Clickbank offers. Because as I've said, you need to be able to post many pieces of content every single day in order to increase your chances of your post going viral, and also to increase the exposure that you will get on your content, so that you can get affiliate sales eventually. So for example, let's say you decide to go with YouTube, right? YouTube videos can be very long and can take a little bit of time to create. So maybe it won't be the best idea to start generating free traffic on YouTube. However, if you can find ways to create YouTube videos very quickly, then it might actually be a very good platform to build free traffic for your Clickbank offers. But on the other hand, let's say you decide to go with Instagram or Pinterest, right? If you can create 5 or 6 pieces of content for Instagram in like half an hour, then that would be a good platform to try and build free traffic for your Clickbank offers. And I'm actually going to show you some example in this video of how to do so for Clickbank offers. So now that you've understood what is the best strategy when it comes to generating free traffic as quickly as possible, now let me show you some actual example of how to generate free traffic with social media websites like YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, etc. For your Clickbank affiliate product. So here's an actual example of somebody generating free traffic for a Clickbank offer. This person here has a Pinterest board about woodworking. And as you might know, on Clickbank, there's actually an offer for woodworking. It's actually an affiliate product that sells very well on Clickbank, and it's been around for a really, really long time. And this person here basically has a board on his Pinterest account where he curates content about woodworking. So none of those pictures or videos is really his. He's clearly just curating content off of the internet. But as you can see, if I click on one of his pictures, let's just say this one, and you will see that he has a link here to his website. And if we go to this website, you will see that it's actually a bridge page to the affiliate offer. Let the page load, and as you can see, this is the bridge page where he gives some information about woodworking, and he's also trying to sign up anybody who comes to this page for his email list. But as you can see on the right here, there's Ted's Woodworking, which is a very popular product that is being sold on Clickbank. So using Pinterest is a really, really good way to generate free traffic for your Clickbank offers. Content for Pinterest usually do not take a lot of time to create. You can create content from other people. Obviously, you want to give them credit for it, but Pinterest is really a nice way of generating free traffic for your Clickbank offers. Another actual example that I want to show you here is this TikTok page about health. They've got over 250,000 followers already. And basically what this person does, he just posts pictures of, infographics type of content about health. And I can tell you right now, he did not create any one of those content. He's basically outsourced the whole thing. I know somebody on Fiverr that sells those types of content, and he's basically bought like a huge pack, and he uploads maybe 5, 6 pieces of those content every single day. And that's how he's generating traffic for his affiliate offer. And as you can see here, he has a link to a Clickbank product. The smoothie diet is a product that is sold on Clickbank. And as you can see, this is the product. If you go on Clickbank, you will find this product in the weight loss category. So here's a cool example of how this person is generating free traffic on TikTok for his Clickbank offer. Another example is on Instagram. So what I love about Instagram is that you can create what I call theme pages. So theme pages are basically pages of content in a specific niche where you are curating viral content from other people's pages. Obviously, when you do that, you want to give those other people credit for their content. You don't want to just take other people's videos and pictures on Instagram and post it on your Instagram page. You always want to give credit to other people when you do that. But when you repost viral content from other Instagram account, what happens is that your Instagram page becomes like an authority page in that particular niche. That's where people will go to watch viral content. So this is a really cool way of generating traffic on Instagram where you don't even have to create any pieces of content. You just curate other pieces of content from other people. Again, you need to give them credit for it. You can't just take other people's content. You need to give other people credit when you take their content. But this is a really cool way to generate a ton of free traffic. This person has been doing this for a long time and he's amassed over 1.6 million followers doing so. Now, he's not promoting any Clickbank products here as far as I know, but if he was, he would definitely be making a ton of money. There's a product on Clickbank about training dogs. So if he was selling this, he would be making a ton of money doing this. And finally, the last one I want to show you is this YouTube page here called Ways and How. This is a YouTube channel about health and weight loss in general. And what this person is doing here, he's posting videos in the weight loss niche and health niche. And as you can see, none of those videos is about him. He's not showing his face. And what he's doing, he's taking articles in the health niche and turning them into videos. There's a special software that allows you to do that. It's very easy. He's able, I'm guessing he's able to create those videos very, very easily. If you want me to show you how to do this, please comment below and I will make sure to make a video like this in the future and show you how he's doing this. But this is a very cool way of, building traffic and building a following base on YouTube, because those videos are very easy to create. Basically, the software will take any article that you put into it and turn it into a video using stock images or royalty-free images. It's very easy to create those videos, and he's been able to build a huge following of 1.79 million subscribers since he started doing this. And I'm not sure he's promoting Clickbank, but this would be a very good way of promoting Clickbank, especially in the weight loss niche, which is a huge niche, and there's a ton of product on Clickbank in that particular niche. So you could do something very similar to this and build a huge following on YouTube and promote any kind of products that you can find on Clickbank. One word of advice before I end this video, guys, you really need to understand that with free traffic, it can take time to build, it can take time to see results. That's the disadvantage with free traffic. However, if you follow some of the strategies that I talked about in this video, you can build traffic a bit quicker, but understand that it can be a long process for a lot of people out there. Not everybody will be lucky and have their first pieces of content go viral the first day. This will take a lot of persistence, a lot of consistency, and you need to stick with it and believe in the process, okay? One more thing I want to add is if you're trying to build free traffic for your Clickbank offers, go and watch what your competitors are doing and try to do similar things to what they are doing. I'm not telling you to go and copy what they're doing, but learn what they are doing, gain inspiration from what they are doing, and try to do similar things. If it works for them, there's no reason why it would not work for you. So there you go, guys. I hope you've liked this video. Don't forget to give this video a like. I would really, really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, as I post content regularly. Another one of my video will pop up somewhere around here, so why not check it out as well. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.